In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a clean profit loss bar chart using Sparkline. Consider I have this raw data sheet. The first thing I will click on D1 and E1, simply merge those cells. Now I will simply type title for my chart. The next thing we need to calculate the max amount from profit loss column. So I will simply click on H and write max. You can write this formula anywhere. Now on H2 simply type equal absolute, open parenthesis. Click on C2, drag the mouse down, select all of the value, close parenthesis, and now simply type Ctrl Shift Enter and hit enter. Now this will convert all of the negative value to positive value. Now I will apply a very easy max function, open parenthesis, and simply close parenthesis. This is how we calculate the max loss or profit from column C. The next thing I will simply click on D2, simply type equal Sparkline, double click. The first thing we need to assign parameter. So Sparkline chart automatically ignored the negative value. So I will simply assign C2, hit comma. And for the options, we have a lot of parameter. So I will teach you each and everything here. I will increase formula bar width a little bit more and click on formula. First thing we need to type open curly bracket. The first parameter are the chart type. Simply write in quotation mark chart type, quotation mark again, hit comma. In this case, I want the bar chart. So in quotation mark, simply write BAR, quotation mark again, and now simply type semicolon. Next, we need to define the color of my bar. So I will simply define quotation mark color 1, hit comma. In this case, I want the red color, quotation mark again. Now simply type semicolon again. Now for the direction, so I want to display negative value in column D. So I will simply define RTL, right to left, quotation mark again, hit comma, and I will simply assign true value, hit semicolon. Next, we also need to define the max value of my bar. So I will simply type quotation mark max, quotation mark again, hit comma. In this case, I will assign H2 cell, hit F4 key to lock the reference, close curly bracket, close parenthesis, and simply hit enter. I will select column D and column E, increase the width a little bit more. Now we simply need to drag this formula down. And the Sparkline function make a bar chart for each and every value. Now we simply need to assign if condition. Whenever the value is less than 0, we want to display the Sparkline function result. Otherwise, I want to return a null result. So I will simply apply if condition, open parenthesis, I will close the suggestion, click on C2 cell. If this is less than 0, hit comma, then I want to return this whole result. Otherwise, I want to return null result, close parenthesis and hit enter. Now if I drag this formula, it will only display the bar for negative value. For positive value, I will simply copy the whole formula, hit Ctrl C, double click on E2 cell, hit Ctrl V. Instead of less than 0, I will simply write greater than equal to 0. And now I will change the red color to green. You can also define a hex color here as well. And now I will simply change right to left and make it false. And now simply hit enter and drag this formula down. The next thing, I will simply click on view and simply off the grid line. Now I will select the entire column D, click on border options, select a little bit thicker line, make the color black and simply select the right border. Next, I will select my entire data sheet, click on border. In this case, I will select dark color, let's say dark gray one. Click on border style and I will simply select the first line. Now I will apply horizontal border, and for the last row, simply apply the bottom border as well. Of course, to make it more beautiful, simply select column D and E and simply apply light gray color. Now our chart is ready. If I change the value, everything dynamically update. I hope you learned something useful from this video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.